I'm the one who stayed when the nights got cold, the one whose hands you used to hold. I'm the fire that warmed your soul, the heart which made you whole. So don't pretend I'm just a name, a story that you never claim. There's a truth that time can't betray. You can't forget me that way. I'm the dream you chased, then let go, the light that faded soft and slow, the kiss that knew what love should be, the truth you saw but didn't see. I'm not a ghost that disappears, I'm the reason behind your tears. You can't rewrite what's meant to stay. You can't forget me that way. And every time you close your eyes, I'll be the truth that never lies, a shadow that your heart obeys. No, you can't forget me that way. I'm the one who loved you every day, and you can't forget me that way.